Hi everyone, my name is Alex Shellhas, a Senior Product Manager here at Cavallo. Today we're going to talk a little bit about how to make allocations simple. Super excited about this feature set and what it offers within our OMS and in our CRM package, and being able to workflow and design a process that really helps speed up your allocation process, or if you want to, do it manually based on the conditions that meet your specific company's need. Let's go ahead and dive into the software. So I'm going to go ahead and start in the mission control page, which is quite often kind of the home of your operation, so that you can understand the status of your orders, status of your quotes, and just understand kind of the overall state of your business. And one of the things that we have here is a brand new allocated status, which allows you to kind of understand which orders have been allocated, which orders have been partially allocated, or potentially which orders need allocation already. And so I can open up this order down here for a datum, and I can see that there's 3 products on here, and I can see that it hasn't been allocated yet. So if we open up that document, I can see all of the information, and I can see immediately that it doesn't have any allocation at the bottom. From here, what I can do is I can select my warehouse. I can see that I have the East, Main, and West warehouse, and there's none available at my West warehouse. So I'm not going to actually go ahead and select that. I'll select my East. I've got a bunch available there. And I've got this next product, East. I don't have any available at the other warehouses. And finally, the last product, I don't have any available at the other warehouses, just the East warehouse. And now that I've done that, I can see that there's 5, 10, and 6 items within this order, but they're still not allocated at all. If I want, what I could do is go in here and see more of that information about availability across my warehouses and see how many I have on hand, how many have been allocated historically, and I can choose to fully allocate this. If I want to go ahead and allocate it from here, you can just quickly click fully allocate, and the quantity allocated goes up to 100%. But if you can imagine that this is a really large order with a bunch of line items on it, you probably want to do that in mass, which is why we've created this Allocate inventory tool up at the top here. And if you click that, what that's going to do is fully allocate the order given the rules that you've set up on this document. I can immediately see the inventory has been allocated for all the items. I'm good to go, and this order is ready to be shipped to the customer. All right, and that's a little bit of a sneak peek into how to make allocation simple within your entire organization. If you have any questions about the allocation process, feel free to leave a comment below. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.